Let's find the value of x which satisfies the following equation. The natural log of 9x minus 4 equals 4. This exercise is a review from the world of exponentials and logarithms in a pre-calculus class. What we're going to try to work through are the steps to solve for x. The first thing that I want you to remember is that the natural log of and x of are inverse operations. That is to say that if I take the natural log of e to the something, that's equal to that something that I started with. And if I take e to the natural log of something, that's also equal to that same thing that I started with. So exponential and logarithm cancel each other out. So if I start with the statement that the natural log of 9x minus 4 equals 4, we're going to solve for x. I'm going to do an exponential to get rid of that natural log. So our first step is going to be do x to both sides. So I'll have e to the natural log of 9x minus 4 equals e to the 4. And now, because these two things right here cancel, those are inverse operations, I'm just left over with 9x minus 4 equals e to the 4. Now it's just kind of linear equations at this point. So 9x equals e to the 4
plus
4. And then finally, x equals e to the 4
plus
4 over 9. And at this point, I really want to take this. This is my exact answer. Let me put that in red. That's my exact answer. And so in order to enter it in to a system that wants floating point numbers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug that in to my TI calculator. There are other calculators that are available for you too on the internet or possibly on your phone, although you cannot use your phone on tests. So in order to do this in my TI calculator, it'll look like x of 4
plus
4 with parentheses divided by 9. And then we'll get the answer and transcribe to the Newton system, or wherever you happen to be entering your values into. So there are a couple of things to focus on there. The big lesson here was that natural log and x are inverse operations, and that in order to get rid of this natural log, we're going to take e to the both sides. And then we'll just have this thing inside of the natural log and e to the on the other side. Thanks for watching, and good luck. Bye.